Today I just picked up this Land Rover Discovery 2, and this thing is completely disgusting inside. It doesn't run. I'd like to show you how I get the inside of the cars so that they don't smell so bad. I have the Land Rover in the shop now. Let's take a look inside this and see how bad this thing really is. You can see there's mold and some water all over the floor mats in here. Seats don't look that bad, but there is mold all over the center console. Mold all over in here. I could not get any of these switches to put the windows down to work. There's some mold on the steering wheel. There you see some good mold on the seats there. The seats are kind of moist to the touch. So, first thing I want to do to be able to stand to even work on anything inside here is to get rid of the smell and get rid of the mold. And to do that, I'm going to set an ozone generator in here and let it run for 24 hours or more. This right here is my ozone generator. Normally, you take this and put it in the car, set it to run for about 2 hours, and it'll get rid of any cigarette smells, any mold smells, any bad smells that are in the car. What this does is it generates ozone, similar to what trees and plants do after it rains. Puts off not a bad smell, but it is toxic. It will hurt your lungs, so you don't want to be breathing this in for very long, if at all. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to run continuously. You can see it glowing in there, creating the ozone. There's also a fan circulating it. So I'm just going to place it up here on top of the center console. I'm going to shut the door so it's all sealed in here, so the ozone just builds up and gets rid of all the mold. It will end up killing all the mold in here, and then I can start cleaning it up, and hopefully it'll be not smell too bad while I'm having to work on it and clean it up. I'm just going to run the extension cord out by the door seal. That seal will have enough room for the extension cord, and we can shut the door with the ozone generator running inside there, and it will just run in there and clean up the vehicle. Right now it's 7 p.m. on Saturday. We'll check back later and see how long it takes to clean this up. Okay, it's now about 1 p.m. the next day, so I've had the ozone generator running for about 18 hours. Let's see how it looks in here. You can see the generator is still running. It smells. You can really smell the ozone in here. It doesn't smell like anything else, so I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to open up all the doors and let it air out in here. We'll see, let it dry out for a little bit and see if all the smells are gone. The ozone generator did get rid of all the smell inside the truck. If you buy one of these, you can get them pretty cheap on Amazon, but remember, don't use them in an enclosed space with anything living. It will kill plants, it will kill pets, and it might damage your lungs as well. So be safe if you're going to use one, but it's a great tool on getting smells out of cars and houses.